Alright, YouTube, what's up? Here we go. I'm about to show y'all why I'm the #1 Shaggy player and why my controller is broken.
Reset. I wasn't expecting that. I thought you...
You're wondering what we're laughing about. I just did this video. And I wasn't the #1 Shaggy player.
he said reset. I knew it.
I'm going against Jake! Alright, for real though this time, alright? If anything happens and it doesn't go as planned, we're gonna fucking throw the upload up and we're gonna show why I'm not really the #1 Shaggy player in the world. Alright? Because I'm going against fucking Jake, and Jake's just a fucking... Oh, dude, this guy hasn't won any games with Jake. Like, 0 games. That's what we like to hear, baby.
Is Jake the yellow dog? Or...
Yep, of course he is.
I know, I saw a video the other day saying that Finn's pretty OP.
Finn is OP.
You gotta use his upper attack. He's a more vertical.
Yeah. Dude, Shaggy, you know, I thought I was the best at Shaggy. I was put in my place last game.
Better put those buns on a sizzle platter, because they're about to get roasted.
Shut up, fucking goddamn stupid Jake. I don't even know what the fuck you're from. Is it Adventure Time?
Yeah, I think so.
Dude, he's got the movement! He's fucking skating on me! Hit kick flips and shit!
Skating on me. Can you do a hard flip, laser flip, nollie?
What the fuck?
He's skating on you. Is it a skateboard?
Yes!
What kind is it? Baker?
Nah, dude, it's fucking... I don't fucking know. It's a fucking skateboard, alright?
I don't know what skateboard brands are even still in. All I can think is Boy Girl, Monster, Zero.
There's Toy Machine, too. I do know that.
Machine. Mini used to be a good one.
World Industries.
Match point. Blue team.
15 minutes and we'll go shower and... I don't want to take a nap, but I kind of want to take a nap.
Oh my god, dude.
Match point. Red team.
He's fucking skating on me again? He just hit that. He hit that pop shove it like he was.
Oh, shit.
Oh baby! Dude, there's no shot I fucking lose to a dog. Mom!
Shaggy's best friend is a dog.
I just want to say, if they don't add Scoobydoo to this game, missed opportunity.
Because of what they got, Velma and Shaggy.
Yeah.
Do a kick flip.
Man's just said, don't get flat!
This cookie coming up.
Hey, don't bite my finger, you asshole.
Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Oh, I won. Alright. Alright.
You won?
I won that one, dude. I won it. I won it.
Oh,
Oh, dude. It was bad. He did more damage to me, by the way. Oh, dude, we're going best 2 of 3, baby. Best 2 of 3?
That's not Finn. That's fucking Tony Hawk.
No.
Is there like a voice changer thing I can download for my fucking...
What do you mean a voice changer?
Dude, I kinda wanna use it when we do our fucking D&D.
Dude, I'm thinking about using mine that I have.
So I'm saying, like, is there a specific... Can I just download a...
It's called voice
thing?
mod. That's the one I've got.
This cookie coming up.
But isn't that made for your microphone? Or is it made for...
Made for any microphone.
Okay. That's what I was wondering. If it was like a specific thing, or if it was just
He's trying to fucking skate on me again. Call him Tony Hawk, yo. I'm getting rolled, dude. If I get rolled, I'm not rematching him, dude. I'm not doing best 2 out of 3. I'll take my fucking I'll take my 1 win and I'll fucking see myself out.
You gotta do 2 out of 3, dude. Come on.
Honestly though, I do, but I don't want to fucking get rolled first game and then fucking pretend like I'm fucking gonna do something. Ow! I'm done. I'm ending the fucking video right here.
And that's what we call winning, dude.
I'm done. I'll fucking rematch you, pussy, but that was bullshit.
You in? Oh, shit.
Dude, I fucking fell off the map and I was jumping up the wall to get up and then my guy just fell.
Oh, shit. Don't you only get like a double jump? Or do you get multiple jumps?
No, you get multiple if you're on the wall.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
like if you're holding the wall and shit.
You got tired?
Dude, I don't fucking know what happened. What I know is that, fuck this game. I'm really not the #1 Shaggy, and I'm fucking being put in my place right now. Alright, I get it. I fucking lied. Doesn't mean these guys gotta fucking do me that dirty. My fucking controller is... I'm gonna need a new one here soon. I don't know how many slams this controller can take. So far, it's been durable enough, but...
Prepare yourself.
I don't know, man. I gotta go back to work after this shit. Harley, we're just fucking chalked. Fucking over this shit. I'll be doing so fucking good, then just get rolled. My man's got so much fucking reach. You put your fucking skateboard away, you fuck! And he turns into a fucking horse? What is that about?
Who turns into a horse?
Jake!
Oh, he's got a fucking horse cock on him, doesn't he? So yeah, I'm half dog, half horse.
And a fucking boat? Man, dude, Jake can't even afford a boat in this fucking economy, yo.
Match point. Red team.
What's up, buddy?
Dude, if I lose this 2-0, I'm fucking done.
What do you want?
Blue team.
What do you want?
That hurt.
Okay, how? How do I fucking hit you?
You want to chew on my fingers?
Okay, new title of the video. Fuck people that play Jake in fucking... I can't fucking hit him!